Hi everyone, time check, it's 10:34 p.m. and I believe it's time for me to hit the hay. So, but before doing that is I need to do my nightly routine for my face. So if you want to have this kind of face, I suggest use Revitalift serum from L'Oreal, and see that? So this is 10% pure glycolic acid, which helps remove your dead skin on your face and replace it with a newer skin. And with the help of micro sculpting cream, it will make your skin, facial skin, more healthier and beautiful. So apply every time you put a cream on your face. Make sure you apply it from forehead to down to your neck, so that the result will be even. So there you go. No filter. This is my normal skin, face skin. So with the help of Revitalift, 10% pure glycolic acid, and micro sculpting cream Regenerist from Olay, it helps my skin look younger. And if you all know, I'm almost 40, so I need to take care of my skin so bad. And with the help of Hair Plus from Big Vita, or Big Vita, look, this is how my hair looks like. It looks healthier, it looks fuller, and it is strong. Here. It looks so strong. And with 1 tablet per night, you'll feel the difference between your old hair, because it will help you from the inside. So again, Hair Plus Big Vita, that helps my hair grow stronger and fuller. See that? So that's my nightly routine for my face and for my hair. Thank you so much for watching. Have love. Bye.